after it is set properly, you can see just giving a little bit of acceleration. It is easily going to 4000 rpm and coming back to 1000 to 1100 rpm. It's my new bike, only 5 months old, 4 to 5 months old, and I've started driving it from September 2nd after taking the delivery, when the number plate was put on. And you can see, I hope, total number of kilometers I've ride. It's only 1971 kilometers. I hope you can see it. Even after setting it, by myself, I don't have any problem. It's very easy to have to listen the beat properly, and according to that, and yes, according to your bike model and company, you have to set it and leave it and see it's on or not. If it's on, start is on, and idling, then you have set it properly, because the showroom or the service centers are not doing it intentionally, I hope, because I have taken my bike 3 to 4 times for this problem, but the problem still was existing. So I set it by myself today, because at night it's giving problem in the cold winter, and it's stopping on the road while driving or riding on it, and it is very risky. And that is my Royal Enfield Classic 350, and this is my Neon new one Pulsar, the best in the class of 150 to 200 cc in India. Hope you like the video, and if you want to ask me anything, you can follow me on Instagram, and can also follow me on YouTube. Thank you.